right, YouTube. We got something in the mail, and as you can see, it already says gamma on it, so you know it's gamma. This is not safe. Using my shears like this. This is not safe, but you're gonna do it anyway. Alright, we got these, the gamma. Let's just open it up. It's a different color. This color is actually fire though. This little emerald green color. Then you have these different skins on here. I think it's a gold and like a emerald green, a dark emerald green. These is clean though. That's what the blade looks like. What? Wait. These clippers ain't got no lever on it? Okay, these clippers ain't got no lever on it. I don't know what type of... Hold on, let me... It's a boulder? Okay. They done came out with a boulder. Okay, alright. You know what? That's actually a good idea. I'm gonna zero gap these and see how they work, see how they cut. That's actually a good idea. I had some wall boulders back in the days, but those were the cords. Now they come in, they have to cut. All right, Gamma, I see what y'all doing. All right.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
You guys, so before you actually start cutting any person with waves, what you want to do is comb the hair out first. This lifts the hair off the scalp, making it easier for the hair to run into the teeth of the blade. So my client wanted a 1.5 on the top, so I went ahead and grabbed my 1 guard with the lever open using my Andis Cordless Masters, and I'm going with the grain of my client's pattern. I'm going slow. I already combed out, basically checking for any cowlicks or any misdirection of the hair, and yeah, I'm just going in the direction of my client's hair growth pattern, making sure I go slow enough to where I don't, snag anything. So my client wanted a taper on the sides, so I'm going to start off by basically making a rainbow-like shape with my trimmers, all right? My Babyliss FX trimmers, and just kind of making a subtle rainbow-like shape. I like to put shape to my blends, that way it's recognizable when people look at it, it's like different. So to keep the taper as low as possible, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna debulk right now. I'm putting my 1 guard on, and I'm basically scooping up and scooping out in that rainbow-like shape that I set my bald line in, all right? And I'm going over the guidelines multiple times to ensure it's at that 1 guard length. Now, as you can see, it's important that you brush down the hair as you go. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close that lever and basically go up right to the middle. I'm not going up all the way to where I set my second guideline. I'm just going to the middle. That way I could blend down. Notice how I'm using my corners the entire time. You don't want to cut off any unnecessary hair on that other side of the blade, so make sure you use your corners at all times. Now putting on the 0 guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, I'm only literally attacking that bottom line. This is just going to soften that area up a little bit more so you could come behind it with the next step. Now right now I'm doing a little bit more baby steps by opening the lever, no guard, and just doing the exact same thing. All right, this ensures that you're keeping this fade as low as possible. Next, with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flicking below the line and flicking to the line, flick out that bottom line. Now remember, you're using your corners the entire time. So now it's all about detail work. All right, I'm gonna take care of some of this bulk that's at the top, but ultimately it's just detailing from here on out. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't just see head on. All right, so just make sure you use your corners in areas where you see bulk. Kind of disperse those bulk areas, those cluttered hair areas, and yeah, get in there though with the lever open, with the one guard open, just in those areas where you set your guidelines in. Make sure you grab those guards and use your corners. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, alright? Hustle Dreams Production is on the beat. That's my brother, man. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chih.